The shape of the mat. They can be dot shaped, like teeny tiny, ball shaped, like a little bit fluffier but still tighter, like tornado shape, and hurricane shaped. Again, funny names, huh? Now you can understand through the images. They can be this dot shaped, like most of the time it's around the chin area that they have these tiny little balls of matted hair, or it oftentimes also appears around their privates whenever they lick a lot. These ball shapes can appear anywhere. Oftentimes it's because the doggy is chewing around the one spot, and as you can see on the top left one, that it can be smaller. Where's my mouse? Oh, it's not here. Anyway, on the top left you can see it's a oh, I moved. So let's go back again. On the top left you can see there's a smaller ball. On the top right you can see there's a little bit bigger ball and it's tighter. You can almost see through on the top left one, and here on the right one you can see through. There's a ball where you absolutely cannot see through. That means it's tighter. Bottom left you see the cut through the mat. This is how mats look like from the inside, and the same mat looks like on the bunch on the bottom right side. It's not exactly ball shaped, but you get the idea. Tornado. It has a reason why I named this as tornado. If you take a look at the left image, you can absolutely see why. It's easier to see on the right image as well, but the left one is just perfect. So those little tornadoes cause a lot of trouble in one spot on the doggy. They oftentimes develop because of lack of brushing and chewing on one spot. On the right side, you see this combined with food, water, dirt, saliva, dry, rinse, repeat, kinda. And there's no way that we can soak those out. You can see how tight those mats are, the black ones. I need to find my mouse. So I can't. Anyway, you can see that they are super tight. The brown spots on the almost in the middle, a little bit towards the right side, there's no way we can open those up at all. And the hurricane kind of craziness. It oftentimes happens with doggies who have curly coat. And if you take a look at the left side, although you can see up to the skin in one line, you really can't see anything else beyond that line because the whole bunch of hair is absolutely matted. On the right side, you see a full body hurricane, which is really, really unfortunate because it's constant pulling on the skin throughout the doggy's body whenever they are at this stage. So it's really bad. It's like shelter dog bad. So we really want to avoid this happening and even to get close to this situation. This doggy got a really, really, really short shave all over, and I was barely able to make the clipper go through her tail. It was so badly matted. So it's definitely not something you want to experience ever. Let it be your doggy or you to get it removed, or your groomer. And this cute little video is about a full body hurricane after some treatments. Let's take a look. Boo. It can be messy. It can be really messy. And as you can see, the whole coat is just in one piece. And that's a really bad sign because when I do the haircut, all the hair pieces should be falling off in one piece, not like bunches like here. And I still need to work around the other half of the doggy to make the whole sheepskin go away from the doggy. So we really want to avoid these kind of crazinesses. And this is another beauty. This situation happens, a partial body hurricane, when we just focus on the easy parts, like the back and a little bit from the sides, and we skip the rest. Or we do not brush deep enough on the rest. that can be another reason, because in case the mats are located a little bit closer to the skin, then there's going to be a layer there. Even if the top part, the top 80% is perfectly brushed out from the mat, the hair between the skin and the mat, the hair amount between the skin and the mat, the tip of the mat, will still be a reason to make the short shave, because there's no way you can open up, especially tight ones like those, especially when the doggy gets a bath without getting all of that brushed out perfectly. So yeah, sad.